One of the things that we're trying to do in Jamaica now is to create a registry of wrongful convictions so that, like, go back over the years so that we have some sort of data to say if we're talking about something, if we're talking about false confessions, we can say, you know, there are 20 cases, there are 30 cases, there are 10 cases, so that we have some basis. Right now, in our country, we just have one or two examples, and some of our lawyers are going, we don't have them anymore, and so we want to document it.
Yes.
But you know,
The
I'm
knowledge has
really
to be shared.
yeah, exactly.
And the
Like
wisdom.
wisdom, right?
Yes.
But I'm really appreciating more lawyers across the Caribbean in doing this research. And so it was really good for me to read the judgment. I was
Yeah.
excited
It's an
reading it.
excellent judgment.
Yeah, and I'm
But
even
just
happier to have had the opportunity to
issues that
talk to
couldn't
you.
be reconciled, you know?
Thank you very much for taking the time. I really appreciate it.
And I'd also, it would be remiss of me not to mention the excellent team I had in the UK as well, which would
Yes.
be Paul, Bowen, Casey, Emma, and Jagoda. They have been excellent in understanding the position. And, you know, teamwork makes the dream work. Thank you for having me. And it's been my pleasure.
That was my conversation with Krysta Mason-Smith. I hope you learned something, or you were inspired, or you were challenged. If there's something you want to hear more of, or that you agree with, disagree with, please let me know in the comments. I read them and I respond to them. Until next time, I'm Andrew Wiles, and this is Stuck.